what's going on? Coach Frank here at the Criticalbench compound. In today's video, I want to walk you through how to train your shoulders using dumbbells only. And my goal with today's video, guys, is to give you the only 4 exercises that you need to be doing with dumbbells only in order to be able to set a big, round, complete shoulders. So that's my goal is after today's video, guys, if you ever have a question about how do I train my shoulders, how do I build bigger shoulders, how do I train shoulders with dumbbells, I'm gonna answer all those questions in this video, guys. And why I wanted to shoot this, because a lot of you I know watching these videos are maybe you're limited to your home equipment. You have a few set of dumbbells and you're like, I can't build a full, complete physique because all I have is dumbbells. So we're gonna squash that myth, guys, debunk all of that stuff there. But then also you guys that are maybe training at a commercial gym or maybe have access to more. Maybe you wanna mix some things up and you wanna walk into the gym and have some different options, some different variables that you guys can take into your training. So that's why we're doing today's video, guys. So these 4 exercises, if done in one workout, okay, you can do them in a superset or you can break them off and do them individual exercises. So that is up to you guys, however you want to program that. The first one is going to be really you call it your big kind of shoulder mass builder. It's going to train all 3 of the heads. So when we think about the shoulder, we have 3 separate deltoids. We have our front delt, our side delt, and then our rear delt. And it's the full encompassing of that makes the complete shoulder. So the first movement that we do, guys, is going to be a dumbbell press. I'm going to do it seated here for demonstration purposes, but if you don't have access to a bench, feel free to do this standing. But this, like I said, guys, is going to train all 3 of those heads, putting more of an emphasis on the front delt, but it does incorporate the side delt and the rear delt as well. So we want to grab our dumbbells here, guys. We want to have a secure core, really tight and engaged, lock our abs in place. Okay, neck and spine are neutral, head looking forward, and we're simply pressing up, bringing those dumbbells close together. Slow and controlled on the way down. Full extension up. Lock out at the top. Breathe out on the way up and on the way down. Okay, so keep that core engaged, tight the entire time. So our first of 4 movement, guys. Do them standing, do them seated. Whatever's going to work best for you is going to be an overhead dumbbell shoulder press. Before we get into the next 3 workouts, guys, I want to give you something. I have a gift for you today. You know, a lot of us put a lot of time, focus, and energy into what we're doing in the gym. That's only half of this equation. What we consume, what we eat, what we nourish our body with outside of the gym is just as important. And that's why, guys, for you watching this video here today, I want to send you our brand new delicious anabolic protein shakes and smoothies in a free Criticalbench shaker cup. Absolutely free, guys. This is on me. All you need to do is visit the pinned comment down there below, hit that first link, fill the information out, cover the shipping costs, but I'm gonna send this to you guys. Guys, this book is absolutely amazing. I'm just looking at some of these smoothies here. Super Pump Smoothie, Berries and Cream, the awesome Almond Shake, Protein Coffee on the go. You know, you need a quick pick-me-up first thing in the morning. You wanna get some protein in. Protein Coffee on the go. Guys, check it out, man. Delicious anabolic protein shakes and smoothies by Mike Westerdahl, Team Criticalbench here, in a free Criticalbench shaker cup. Like I said, guys, just visit that pinned comment down there below, fill the information out, we'll send a gift to you guys absolutely free. So we did our first movement, that was a dumbbell shoulder press. The next 3, okay, are gonna work each part of the delt individually. So we're gonna work the front delt, we're gonna work the side delt, we're gonna work the rear delt. The first one being our front delt. So we'll do all these movements seated just for demonstration purposes, but we grab our dumbbells. I prefer a neutral hammer grip. The reason why, when we think about our shoulders, a good way to explain this is what's on top does the majority of the work. So I want to keep my palms facing into me, because by rotating, a lot of people will do their front raise this way with their palm facing down. But by doing that, what ends up happening is my side delt now becomes the dominant mover, because what's on top does the majority of the movement. So for me, when I'm training front delt raises, I keep my palms facing in towards me. But seated here, guys, lock, strong, engaged core. All I'm doing is I'm raising the dumbbells out in front of me. Really focus on squeezing that front delt here at the top. It's going to be heavy, guys. You obviously, the weight that you use with presses, you're not going to be able to do with any of these varying movements. So the first one after our press is going to be a front raise. The second one, and I'm going to stand for these because it's a little bit better for the demonstration purposes. The second one is going to be a side lateral raise. So the first one, palms in, raising to the front. Second one, palms facing in. What's on top does the majority of the movement. So we want to keep the shoulder, the side of the shoulder on top. So we're thinking about extending out. We're not shrugging. Okay, shrugging is going to get your traps involved. We're thinking about reaching out to the wall next to us. So if I'm facing you guys, what I'm doing with my hands is I'm trying to touch the wall to my side. Core is engaged, locked in tight. Bring those arms up to our side. Okay, so that's our third movement. And then the fourth and final one is gonna work this rear delt. It's the portion of the shoulder that really sits behind us. Probably the one that most people forget. Very few people train this properly, but using this exercise, using a rear delt fly, absolutely best movement to develop that tiny, tiny muscle that sits back here. Same dumbbells, okay? What I wanna do is I wanna get a slight bend in my knee. I'm gonna bend down 45 degrees, okay? And it's a reverse fly. So like I would fly with my chest, okay? I'm gonna fly out, really leading with my elbows. Not trying to squeeze my shoulder blades, that's gonna get our back involved. I'm really driving my elbows out to the walls behind me. And that fourth exercise, guys, makes this workout complete. All right, guys, so there you have it. How to train shoulders at home using dumbbells only. Really hope you guys appreciated and enjoyed today's video. Like I told you at the beginning, guys, I have a gift for you. Yes, pay attention to what you're doing in the gym. Follow these workouts, get your max in, continue to progressively overload, but pay more attention to what you're doing outside of the gym, okay? And in order to help you guys do that, like I said at the beginning, guys, I'm gonna send you this delicious anabolic protein shakes and smoothies in a free Criticalbench shaker cup, absolutely free on me. Just hit that link down there in the pinned comment, fill the information out. You cover the shipping, I'll cover the rest. I really hope you guys appreciate it and enjoyed today's video. Coach Frank at the Criticalbench compound. If you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next video.